You got to stop being the victim if you want to manifest. And you might not even realize that you're being a victim. The places, the spaces, the ways that you feel that life is happening to you and you are helpless, you are powerless, and maybe perilous. You are playing into the victim energy, victim narrative. And what that means is you're essentially refusing to participate as a co-creator with the universe. Now, I'm not saying there isn't a place in your life where you may have actually been treated poorly. That's a probability. Most of us have been treated poorly in one area, one time in our life, at least. I'm sure in the last year you've been treated poorly. You have been a victim. The problem is when most of your life starts noticing all of those victim moments, that is a wrong path for you. The universe is conspiring for you. The universe wants to work on your behalf. And if you have told the universe, I'm the victim, then you are playing that part. I do not want you to play that part. I want you to manifest. I want you to have the intentional dreams that you dream of coming true in your life. So here's what you're going to do to stop playing the victim, or to find out, are there areas where you are being a victim? First, the most recent thing that made you feel powerless that personally happened to you. I'm not talking about global events. I'm talking about personal events. I want you to pause, journal, meditate, reflect. What does this event want to show you? If the universe is acting in your favor, of what benefit could this action be? I have used this reframe so many times over the past few years, and now I am in the state, not every day, every moment, but quite often, of reframing and seeing how is this thing happening that has got me burnt up and so mad, how is it actually working for me? So that's what I want you to do. Sometimes the way it's working for you is it says, you didn't listen to your intuition, and that's a problem. You can't trust that type of person, or that person specifically. That's a problem. It doesn't always mean there is an immediate silver lining. Sometimes it's just information for you. However, if you learn from that information and come with the mindset the universe is working out for you, the universe is conspiring in your favor, every quote unquote mistake is to your benefit, which means, I don't want to say you can capitalize on it, be opportunistic about it, but in a way, yeah, you can. This will work in your favor. You will see this coming next time and not fall into that trap. You will know that person next time is the kind of person you need boundaries with, or you're not lending money to, or you're not getting involved with. Every failure truly can be an opportunity. And when you start doing that, suddenly your life takes on a richness that is absolutely incredible. And you start having what I would call golden child Midas touch energy. But the good part of the Midas touch story, everything turns to gold. If you have that golden touch where everything turns to gold, you have the ability to have that creative power to say, okay, I can work with this. Your life, the energetics of how I could describe it is, it's almost like you're flowing with the current as opposed to fighting against the current. Comedians have this idea, this phrase, that everything is material. It just takes time. Meaning, if something bad happens to a really good comedian, they know, oh my gosh, in 6 months or 6 weeks or 2 years, this is going to be the best stand-up skit, stand-up sketch, whatever type of comedy they do, because they know that everything is material. Similar for you, everything in your life is material. It's the stuff of the universe in front of you. And the other platitude, which is so helpful and true, of all roads lead to Rome, for you means if the universe is working in your favor, if it's conspiring for you, anywhere you are can get you to where you want to go. All roads will lead you there, even if you feel like you're at rock bottom. How many people have hit rock bottom and skyrocketed up after that over the next 1 to 2 years? If you are in rock bottom right now, I'm sending you love. I'm sending you compassion. I know it doesn't feel good, but you will get out of rock bottom. And if you're like 4 steps from rock bottom, but you're like, this still feels pretty bad, like this could be my rock bottom, sending you love, sending you belief in yourself, sending you trust in yourself. Start reorienting to see that things are working out for you. And I'm not saying pretend like everything is positive when it isn't. Is that everything is material, everything is information. If you believe that you are divinely loved and cared for and protected, which you are, I've never done a reading for a person who was not adored, admired, loved, protected, all of those. And they always have so much more potential available to them than they are living. There's always so much more love and compassion and acceptance that you can take in. Doesn't mean it's something to feel bad about. It just means however much you're loving yourself, you can love yourself more and lean into that love, surrender into that love, allow that love in. As you allow that love in, as you allow the universe to love you, as you allow people like me who maybe you don't even know to send you love and believe that it's true, believe that it's real, as you work with the material of your life to create the reality that you want, you start working with the current of life. You start over time getting that everything you touch turns to gold, because nothing can defeat you. You are the person who makes things work. Again, other people still have free will, but you can create a life of your dreams. It would be best if you do it with ethics and love and all that, but there are people who manifest even without that. I admire and encourage your ability to tap into the love, tap into the belief that the universe is working for you, and explore, what if everything is working out for you? What if everything is working out for me? Explore it with questions, with meditation, with reflection, with belief. It's going to have such a powerful effect on your life. I'm really rooting for you to start manifesting in co-creation with life, the desires coming true in your life that you deeply desire and dream of. I'm here, Rachel Strivelli, the psychic, the dream interpreter, author of Talk to the Trees. I'm rooting for you. Feel free to reach out to me, put something in the comments if you want me to encourage you or give you advice or ideas, and happy manifesting.